Rony Kiplangat, a teacher and brother of renowned cartoonist Kibet Bull, has been released from abduction, bringing relief to his family amidst a backdrop of growing public concern. Rony was last seen leaving a Seventh-day Adventist church in Kikuyu on December 21st before being taken under unclear circumstances. His release marks a significant development in the ongoing narrative of forced disappearances in Kenya. Rony's abduction, along with that of his brother Kibet Bull, has been linked to Kibet's outspoken criticism of President William Ruto's government. Rony was not active on social media. While Rony is now safely home, the whereabouts of Kibet remain unknown at the time of this report, casting a shadow over what should be a moment of collective relief. The continued uncertainty surrounding Kibet's fate underscores lingering questions about the motives and methods behind these abductions. Rony's release coincides with the release of 3 other individuals, Billy Mwangi, Bernard Kavuli, and Peter Muteti, who were similarly taken under suspicious circumstances. These abductions have collectively drawn attention from human rights organizations, civil society, and concerned citizens. Critics argue that these incidents appear to be part of a systematic effort to intimidate and silence dissent, particularly from those critical of the government. The timing of these releases is significant. They occurred on the same day that Kenyans were preparing for nationwide protests aimed at demanding the release of all abducted individuals. This coincidence highlights the mounting pressure on authorities to address the issue of forced disappearances and restore public confidence in the rule of law. While the return of Rony Kiplangat is cause for celebration, the ordeal raises serious concerns about safety and freedom of expression in Kenya. The trauma experienced by Rony and others released serves as a stark reminder of the personal toll these abductions take, not only on the victims, but also on their families and communities. The absence of Kibet Bull from this narrative remains a glaring gap. A vocal critic of the government, Kibet's disappearance is emblematic of the risks faced by those who challenge the status quo. His unresolved case serves as a rallying point for activists and ordinary Kenyans alike who demand accountability and justice for all victims of forced disappearances. As Kenya grapples with these troubling events, the public's resilience and calls for justice remain unwavering. The hope is that these incidents will prompt greater scrutiny of the country's human rights record and ignite a broader push for systemic reforms to protect fundamental freedoms and ensure government accountability.